나를 인간 덮치는 게 없어. 덮치는 거 없어. 나를 인간 덮치는 게 없어. 덮치는 거 없어.
Let's see how many sniffles it takes for me to sneeze. The answer is 5. Oh! Holy crap. 5 sniffles is killing me. I'm never sniffling again. Don't try this at home. It's been a few hours and I still can't stop sneezing, so don't do this at home. Hold on, I'm gonna sneeze. Excuse me. Lit, or like, it's a mood, it's a vibe. Oh my god. Or, wait for it.
It's the sun. For me, it doesn't matter if I'm laying down or standing up. If the sun is out, I'm sneezing. Okay. Wait for it. Now that was not my first one of the day, so it was only 2. But in the morning, whenever I first step into the sun, usually it's 5 or 7. I'll try and record one tomorrow. But from then on out throughout the day, every time I look into the sun, I'll sneeze. So I can do it on command. I'll do it again. Look. Oh, the sun went away. Hang on. Move, little cloud. There she is. 'Can we make this a thing? Can everybody with sun sneezes stitch this and show me your first sun sneeze of the day? Here's mine. Hang on, let me get prepared. Oh, it's coming quick today, boy. Hang on. Oh, that hurts. 5. Oh, my eyeballs. Show me yours. So no, I definitely cannot control it around other people. If I have to sneeze, it's gonna come out regardless of who's around. But as for changing my sneeze, I mean, I can, I guess, but I force change it. Hang on. I take that back. I wouldn't consider it force changing it. I can't really. It just, whatever comes out, you know? They're definitely different, but it just is what it is. I literally just recorded one like 10 minutes ago when I first got out here. I'll insert it because I've saved it. However, the sun did just go behind a cloud. So whenever it's back, I'll try again. It's back. All right. 2. I swear to God. It never stops.
I was like, I'm not. I like close. That I think would probably have pissed me. That was like my friend's mom growing up though. Cause Hello, are you Mr. Smith? That's great. I'm the maid you have hired. Nice to meet you. I think I'm gonna sneeze. Yeah. Oh no.
Pera aí, gente, deixa eu pegar meu pano. Voltei, gente. Fui buscar um pano aqui. Vou passar só aqui, deu, menino?
Oh, bless you. Bless you again. Bless you for a third time. And 4 and 5 and achoo! Get it.